The canton of Zug lies in the center of Europe and in the heart of Switzerland. A well-maintained, open living space with everything you need and want. The people living here appreciate the peace and excellent quality of life in the Zug countryside.
I love living here because I love nature, and it's right outside my door, and I have amazing proximity to a lovely small city with every cultural advantage, and I can enjoy everything that I do in complete safety.
Living in the canton of Zug is a wonderful experience. Particularly beautiful are the mountains sloping down to the lovely lakes of Zug and Egeri. Breathtaking views and the proximity to nature make everyday living a special pleasure.
Zug is a very international small city, with groups of companies in all important growth sectors, which facilitates synergy. The offices of various global corporations are within walking distance of each other, and many have their primary headquarters here. You will profit from an exceptionally business-friendly infrastructure. Foreign companies in particular appreciate the political stability and the security of our country, and the high level of support on economic issues. Despite its size, Zug has one of the strongest economies of any canton in Switzerland.
We are a very small canton, and this has a lot of advantages. You know each other, and decisions can be taken very quickly. More than 1,000 companies every year are being registered here, and we help all those companies to find the best solutions for their needs.
All 4 seasons are special in Zug. Summer, winter, spring or autumn. All have a particular character with many sports and leisure activities for the whole family. Miles of walking and cycling paths, sunny beaches with wonderful swimming, great sailing, golf courses, skiing and snowboarding regions nearby. Anything's possible and everything is accessible. Zug has the most progressive and best public and private schools for local and foreign language children anywhere in Switzerland. I come from Paris. At the beginning I was a little worried I might be somewhat isolated, but I have found lots of good friends and contact to some wonderful families. Everything's going well. We also have the International School of Zug with its excellent standards, and the students are integrating very well.
The canton's economic success is largely based on a well-educated and trained local workforce. Zug offers various training possibilities at a very high level, and technical colleges and universities are located in the nearby cities of Zurich and Lucerne. Precision, integrity, and efficiency. These terms characterize Swiss business traditions as well as the companies in Zug. For Amgen, as the leading biotech corporation in the world, not only is the outstanding quality of life important for employees, but there are good connections to all the world's travel hubs. This is ensured by a 45-minute journey direct from Zug to the airport. In Zug, everything is close to everything else. Proximity is one of the many advantages that make Zug so attractive to companies all over the world. Every year brings an increase in the impressive number of companies investing in research and development projects. All businesses benefit from this dynamic, yet another positive factor making Zug an excellent location.
Like most businesses, our primary reason was to take advantage of the tax benefits that the canton has to offer. What we found were good working relationships with the banks, local businesses, and other government offices. In addition, our employees are very dedicated, hardworking, and yet they know how to enjoy themselves while they're at the office during the day.
Long tree-lined promenades along the lake and the idyllic old town of Zug invite you to go for a stroll, go shopping, or simply relax and enjoy the beautiful weather. You'll discover old traditions, history, and contemporary counterpoints throughout the whole region. The diverse cultural scene ranges from free libraries to literary readings and art exhibitions.
In our exhibition, Harmony and Dissonance, we see works from Kandinsky, Schoenberg, and Gerstel. And what I'm particularly pleased about is that this exhibition has received acclaim from far across the border.
Zug is one of the top gastronomic areas in Switzerland, with many exceptional restaurants, bars, and cafes. There are numerous restaurants with truly extraordinary international gourmet cuisine, but the choice ranges from simple, home-style and traditional fare to refined, critically acclaimed fine food.
The small canton of Zug combines high quality of life with economic dynamism, making it one of the most desirable residential and business locations in Europe. Come to Zug and see for yourself. We look forward to welcoming you.